everyone! Welcome to Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. Today we will draw yummy ice creams. Wow, it's an ice cream stick? Yummy, it's look delicious. Wow, it's ice cream cone with 2 scoops. I love ice cream cone. Now I am drawing ice cream cup. I love all ice creams. They are so sweet. Wow, it's a smiling ice cream cup. Now I am drawing another ice cream cone. Ice cream is best in summers. Now I am drawing ice cream cup with 3 different scoops. It's look like ice cream is melting. It's another stick of ice cream. Now it's time to color ice creams and learn the color names. Orange color. Dark blue color. Brown color, purple color, and green color. Orange color. Dark blue color. Orange color. Yellow color. Purple color. And brown color. Orange color. Purple color. Green color. Brown color. Dark blue color. Orange color. Oh, all the ice creams look so yummy. Eat a lot of ice cream and stay healthy.